Charity law specialists versus general commercial lawyers, which one is better for non-profit governance and fundraising? Most non-profits get this wrong. They assume any experienced lawyer can handle their legal needs. The surprising truth is that charity law requires specific expertise in regulatory compliance, fundraising rules and governance structures, areas that general commercial lawyers may not fully understand. Charity law specialists are experts in non-profit regulation. They advise on charitable registration, tax-exempt status, grant compliance, and governance policies. For example, if a non-profit plans a large international fundraising campaign, a charity lawyer ensures that local registration requirements, donor disclosures and tax regulations are fully met. They also help boards establish policies to prevent conflicts of interest and maintain transparency with stakeholders. General commercial lawyers, while skilled in contracts, mergers and corporate law, may lack deep experience in non-profit specific rules. They can draft contracts or review leases, but might miss nuances like charitable solicitation regulations, gift acceptance policies, or reporting obligations. This can create compliance gaps or even jeopardize tax-exempt status. The key difference is clear. Charity law specialists provide targeted guidance for non-profit governance and fundraising, while general commercial lawyers cover broader business legal issues. For non-profits, especially those handling donations or grants at scale, specialized charity law expertise reduces risk and ensures sustainable operations. The takeaway is simple: strong legal guidance aligned with non-profit regulations protects your mission, safeguards donor trust, and maximizes fundraising potential. The surprising truth is that non-profits that rely solely on general lawyers often face compliance pitfalls that could have been avoided with charity law expertise. In short, non-profits thrive when they combine legal precision with deep knowledge of the regulatory landscape, making charity law specialists an essential partner.